Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here, and I'm using most of the products from Maven Beauty by fashionnova. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the video. Hey guys, happy 2021. This is my first video back. So I am going to start off with a makeup tutorial, and I'm using all Maven Beauty. They do have Maven Beauty at fashionnova and you can find it there. So I got a few different eyeshadow palettes. I got these four, and I did get their eyelashes as well. This one is in the 05 lashes. They're a little bit flared out. And right now I'm going to start off with the Basic Beat Cream Eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow primer, and this is in the shade Coquito. This is it right here, and so I'm just going to start applying it. And I'm going to do this side as always. So let's go ahead and put this on. So this is an eyeshadow cream shadow, but I'm just going to use it as a base, and it is my shade, as you can see. So I'm just going to apply it to both eyes all the way to the brow bone. This is really good. It doesn't feel oily or greasy. So I'm on their fashionnova website, and the eyeshadow base is $13, so it is very affordable. And now I'm going to start with the eyeshadows. So let's go ahead and get started with the soft blend, which is the light browns. And this is the palette right here. So these are the colors, and I'm just going to start applying the cream shadow here, the cream color one. I love this orange packaging though, it's so pretty. Next, I'm just going to take the brush from the Makeup Shack T11, and I'm going to start off with the one on the bottom here. So let's start off with that eyeshadow as a crease color, and you can barely see it. This is very light. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe M441, and I'm going to take the shade up right next to it. It's more of a cool tone brown. And extend it outwards. These are blending really nicely, and they don't have a lot of fallout, as you can see. Very nice. And now I'm going to take the medium blend. It's another matte palette, or quad I should say, and this is what it looks like. This one's beautiful. Can you guys see it? I think I'm going to take this shade down here. That one's pretty nice. And for that brush, I'm going to take the MAC 224 for this shade here. Oh, I love this shade. It's like one of those camel brown shades. And I'm going to keep extending it outwards. And I'm going to take a pointy brush, and I'm going to start with the brown shades. So I'm going to take the Define Quad, and this one has blacks and browns. I love this shade and this one up here. So I'm going to start with the dark brown first. And I'm just going to start applying it on the bottom part. So this is going to go here, closer to the lash line. And Now I'm just gonna take an angled brush. So let's go ahead and take the Morphe M158, and I'm going to take the black shade, this one here. I'm just going to take it closer to the lash line. Next, I'm going to take another quad. This is a spotlight one, and this one has shimmers. Look at these. They are so beautiful. I'm going to use this one here, and I'm going to take my finger first and apply it on the lid. So I'm going to apply it on the inner corner here, all the way to the middle. And don't worry if you go on top of the dark shade, it's fine. So I'm going to take it to the middle part. I am going to take a brush as well and wet it, so I'm going to pick up the shade and I'm going to wet it with my Rare Beauty setting spray. A tad bit, and then I'm gonna go over it at the same spot just to make it more metallic. And now I can go in with the eyeliner, and this is the Maven Beauty Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Black. And this is the eyeliner right here. So I'm just going to start applying it right on the lash line. So I'm going to start at the outer corner. So I finished the other eye off camera and I added the eyeliner. And I forgot to tell you guys, the eyeliner is $14. And the eyeshadow quads are $19 each. Very, very affordable. And you can always use fashionnova, their discount codes and everything, so make sure you check them out. And next I'm going to apply the highlight. I am very excited for this highlight. This is in the shade Dripped Out. The box is so cute. And I'm going to show you guys the color. So this is the packaging, so nice and sleek, and I love the orange, very unique. And this is the color, it's the more golden shade. So I'm just going to start applying it. It's so nice and buttery. Maybe this is gonna be my new favorite, but hopefully it's not too dark. I do see it a little dark, but I didn't get the lighter shade. I think they had a pink one, like a pink looking one, but I got the gold per usual. I love the gold highlights. So yes, it is a little dark, but oh well, I can use this maybe in the summer. Now I am going to apply the eyelashes, and the packaging is so nice. The lashes retail for $9, so I'm just going to apply one off on camera with you guys so you guys can see. And I like to bend them like this, just wiggle them around and make them more round. And then I like to apply the glue, and I let it sit for a little bit, so we can just do the lips while we wait for this to dry. So I'm just going to put my lip liner, and for lip liner I'm going to use Sugar Pie by Morphe. They don't have a lip liner, they do have lipsticks though, so I'm going to show you guys. Next I'm going to apply the lipstick, and this is in the shade Sus, It is a velvet finish, and this is the packaging, so nice. And this is the color that I got. I got like the lightest shade, so they didn't have a nude shade, so you know. You guys know I love my nudes. But this feels so good. It doesn't feel drying at all. Wow, this is really pretty. I'm definitely digging this color. Something different. I love it. So now I'm going to apply the lash. I think it dried enough, a little bit. We'll see. So I did apply mascara already. I used the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara, the double-ended one, and I used the volume side. Now I'm going to apply the lash. That is what it looks like. Makes your eyes more elongated that way. More of like a almond shape. See the difference? With no lashes, with lashes. Very, very nice. And last but not least, I'm just going to do the lower lashes. And I'm going to take the same brush that I used for the lid shade, which is the sparkly eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna run it on my lower lash line. And I'm just going to run it through. And then I'll apply mascara last. So I'm just going to go like this. Hey guys, I am back and this is the final look. What do you guys think? This is using Maven Beauty products, well, some of them, and it is including the eyeshadow, the eyeliner, the lipstick, the lashes, and the highlight. So that's what they have so far. I didn't see anything else, but let me just double check for you guys. But yeah, I think that's all they have for now. And then I did use the eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow cream product, which you can use on its own. It really dries really nicely and it's not so oily. And the only product that I did not like from the whole line was, I think, the eyeliner. It wasn't my favorite. Once it dries, it flakes a little bit and I don't like those type of eyeliners. So I think this is the only product that I didn't like. I did love the lipstick, but I wish the lipstick range was, you know, had a little bit of a more of a nude color. So yeah, this is a little bit dark for me, if you guys know my love for nudes. So this one's a little dark and that's what I didn't like. And with the eyeshadows, I think they are amazing. All of them were really, really nice. All the matte shades were nice. And the only one that I wasn't my favorite as much was the cream or the shimmer ones. These were my least favorite out of all of them. Just because you have to wet it for it to look really metallic on your eye. See, on the hand swatch is nice, but once you have it in your eye, you do need to wet it. So make sure you do that. And let me just show you guys the other colors. See how they look without the primer spray? They don't look as metallic. So that was my only problem with the products, but other than that, everything else was nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!